Hair oils are believed to moisturize the scalp and hair follicles. It can promote hair growth and reduce hair fall. When infused with the right herbs, hair oils can help reduce inflammation and irritations around the scalp. They will keep your hair healthy, stronger, and even well protected from free radicals. I love this powerful hair growth oil. Ever since I started using it on my hair and my daughter's hair, our hair has seen tremendous improvement. Our hair game have changed. So let me share with you how to make this powerful hair growth oil. So to make this powerful hair growth oil, we're going to be using 3 herbs. Number 1 is cloves. Clove is a powerhouse, so full of amazing health benefits for both hair and skin. Clove helps to promote healthy hair growth when applied in the right way, and it can help strengthen hair, add some shine, and even nice aroma to the hair. Clove is one herb that has been very popular in the natural hair community, and it's not just popular for any other reason but for its healthy hair benefits. The second one is rosemary. A study has it that rosemary has antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties among other properties. It can help promote hair growth. It can strengthen hair. It has been found to be as effective as tropical minoxidil, which is basically used in the treatment of alopecia. Rosemary is powerful. And the last herb is blackseed. This is an ancient spice and one of the best natural ingredients out there in the market. And just like the other 2 herbs, blackseed has antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties, which helps to protect the hair and scalp. It also has the ability to lock in moisture, which is great for type 4C hair, and blackseed can help make your natural hair growth journey a lot easier. Blackseed is a healing seed, is a healing herb, and very powerful herb. So all the 3 herbs are super powerful and can grow your hair in a healthy way. So for my oil, I'm using olive oil. Now there are other great oils you can use in place of olive oil, like hemp seed oil, almond oil, coconut oil, argan oil. Any oil your hair feels comfortable with, then go ahead and use it. Then I'm going to be putting all of these ingredients right into this jar. I've already cleaned and I've made sure that this jar is properly well cleaned. So I'll go ahead to put all my spices, all my herbs right into this jar, and then add my oil. And check the description box. I'm going to be dropping the right measurements in the description box. Also, when using your herbs and oil, make sure they are dry, they are well dried enough, and do not have any form of moisture, any form of water, so that your oil will not go rancid in a very short time. Alright, so having mixed the herbs and the oil together, I'm going to go ahead to double boil this for about 5 minutes. I'm using this double boiling method to help moisten the herbs so they can release the nutrients right into the oil faster. This will help to fasten the infusion process. Alright, so after 5 minutes of double boiling this, I'm going to store it in my oven. You can choose to store in your microwave, in your dark cupboard, any dark place away from sunlight. And then I left it for about 3 days, and after 3 days, this is what the oil looks like. It's a bit darker than it was before, and then the oil is ready. You can choose to filter it, or you can choose to also apply it while in this with the herbs. You can choose to put everything together with the herbs. The longer the herb stays in the oil, the more potent it becomes. And right now you can also add your essential oils like rosemary essential oil, eucalyptus essential oil, lavender essential oil, any essential oil that you feel comfortable with or that can help you solve a particular hair problem. And then make sure when you're adding essential oil, you're using few drops, just a little drop of essential oil. And this is how to make the most powerful hair growth oil you can ever use. This is very potent, and you would definitely love how your hair feels after using this oil. And how do you use this oil? It's very easy. Just apply right onto your scalp, massage in circular motion for few seconds or a minute, and then the remaining oil on your palm, use it to apply right onto your hair. And you can repeat this 1 to 2 times in a week, or 1 to 3 times in a week. And then after applying it on your scalp, you go ahead to moisturize your hair, and this can also serve as a sealing for your for after moisturizing your hair. You can use it to seal in moisture right into your hair as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope you love this video as much as I had fun and I enjoyed filming this video. Do subscribe below, click on the subscribe button if you have not. Please go ahead to subscribe now and be part of this wonderful community we're building here. Like this video and let me hear from you in the comment section. And until my next video, do stay healthy, stay beautiful. Bye bye.